Ano yon?
Ayan lang nila yung slide.
2,200 yun.
Mahirap ako ito pa. Pero hindi, kakain muna ako para sa... Mahirap naman. Wait. Kasi ako na ganyan. Nilitsyonan din ako ng... Pinky. Oh, syempre. May nila. Okay ko.
Okay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ay, my birthday, sir.
Thank you.
Happy birthday po.
Thank you.
Salamat. Masarap to. Try mo. Ito?
Hindi ko alam. Ito. Meron naman na kaya kaya.
Nagluluto ka yun dati, ma.
Oyster nga din. Ang dami tinipap.
So good.
Hindi yun po same time.
Ang sarap nito.
Sarap diba? Ba't yun mo?
Bili kaya ako.
Ay, ito.
Karoon mo ako ah.
Ang ano na daw lahat ng ibang
Ano ba naman yung kanta mo?
Happy birthday to you.
Siya lang maakot na isang...
Say hi. Sabi ko sa'yo, may Poso Negro nga. So much guys for watching. It was indeed a great birthday for me. Thank you to everybody who greeted me on my birthday. Please follow me here on TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's at GREGGALIAN. Please also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm nothing but grateful for the things that I receive from the Lord Jesus Christ, syempre. I realized today that nothing is perfect, but if you really make the most out of what you have and just have a grateful and humble heart, you'd be able to get through at saka you'd be able to enjoy more. Ayan, a lot of things happened today, hindi man siya kita doon sa mga na-shoot, but there, yun lang. Thank you so much sa lahat ng bumate. Please follow, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Dapat dun ka, oh. Parang
doon
ano. Doon ka, Pauline.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. That's not my brand.
Bisa mo yung kandila mo ubod.
Ah, pala.
Oo na!
Sorry.